Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to delete your profile picture on WhatsApp web. Why would you want to know how to delete your profile picture on WhatsApp web? Well, maybe it is your first time using WhatsApp web and not sure how to delete your profile picture on WhatsApp web. So today I am going to show you how to delete your profile picture on WhatsApp web. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Deleting your profile picture on WhatsApp web is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all devices. Let me show how you will delete your profile picture on WhatsApp web. First of all, open WhatsApp web in your device, and now here is my WhatsApp web home screen. And then click on three dots in the top corner, and now click on settings, and then click on your bio. Now click on your profile photo and then click on remove photo. Now again click on it and your profile picture on WhatsApp has been removed. So there you go. If you were wondering how to delete your profile picture on WhatsApp web, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.